Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited in Rocky Mountain Pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10093A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.